All right, taxiing out, taking off.
Can I share the air with you?
No, you can't, not at all.
No?
Of course, come on. Yeah. Just let me take off going up.
You can do it. Taxiing out.
Flaps up, gear down, gear up.
I'm going to do a pass down the runway towards you,
Okay.
and then I'll be clear.
Alright.
Oh, yeah!
Woo!
As always.
Alright, taking off.
All right, another little pass downwind. Ran, this is a FMS.
Alright, low pass, downwind.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Right there. Oh, that's right.
Fast little pass from the left.
I'm gonna follow you. That's zippy. Low pass!
Oh,
Time remaining
Frankie.
1 minute.
I got it.
Hey, Frankie. Low pass from the left.
Reverse pattern, yeah. Low
Frankie.
pass from the left,
Hey,
after you do a low pass.
Frankie, are you looking? It's perfect. It's perfect.
That's not too slow. That's not too slow. It's half
10, 9, 8, 7,
Yeah, I put the F4. I put the F4 right
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I didn't fly this one last week. My friend probably didn't fly this one. I didn't take this one out of the car.
Okay, guys, I got to land.
I don't know. I was only during the end.
Landing from the right.
I'm staying high.
Gear down. Landing flaps.
Fly over the damn sun. All right. Coming in from the right. Oh, look at that. It's not wobbling at all.
Nice.
It's perfection.
Very nice.
Look at that. Perfection. That's it.
Flaps up.
All right. Frankie, next plane's the F-104.